The opposite of IsIn method in Pandas. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. And in today's video, we're going to do the opposite of 2 videos ago. So in the last video, we looked at how in the world to use an IsIn. So to slice and have something with multiple, we're going to test for 1910, 1911, and 2017. So, all right. So HI, then year, close, dot, IsIn, and then pass in, and these are integers, so 1911, 19, and then 2017. There we go. And close, and one more close. Boom. So now I have, out of the 53,896, 718 of them are from the year 1910, 1911, and 1917. So now what happens if we want to have like exclude? We want everything but. So it is literally this simple, and I was shocked that it was this. So it is literally this character. So it's the character up on the, I looked it up last week and I've already forgotten what it is called, but it is the key that is between the 1 and the tab, and it's the shift function on it. It is literally this. That is the inverse. That is the reverse. That is the opposite. So now that simple symbol gives me the complete reverse of this. So I get all results excluding 1910, 1911, and 2017. And as you can see, 1910 is excluded, 2017, and our rows are 53,178 because our original were 53,896, which then would be the difference of our 718. So I just wanted to make sure that we covered this, and I think we're going to be doing a lot, not a lot more, but several more examples with pandas and data, because I think I'm going to break up the next video that I wanted to do. And one thing that is very important when you're interacting with large data sets, you're going to have some sort of repeating data. So needing to know how to number the rows and then begin to isolate, because it's a very quick technique that I've come up with where I'll number the rows, and if I have any duplicate data, because doing distinct is not going to quite work on what you want to have, because there's going to be an example, and I'll show you, where you're going to want to count the entire column but then only count parts of other columns, and you're going to need an identifying technique for that. So next video, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do the window function. I'll show you the equivalent in SQL, and then what I'll do is I will show you how to do it in pandas, because it's a little more elongated, but once you get it and look at it, it makes a lot of sense. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. I thought I was going to do some live streaming this week. Some stuff has come up, but we'll see how we do. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.